Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Waterford local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance relocation service will ideally take you beyond 50 miles from your current place. As part of the FMCSA's regulations, moving companies must go to the existing residence or office of the client to inspect the belongings they are shipping over borders before moving them. After this stage, we will provide a detailed assessment of the move's cost, length, and optimal timing. It will also assist us in making preparations for handling your belongings' most delicate pieces. Our movers are courteous and dedicated to making relocating as easy as possible for our customers. Because of this, we collaborate with our clients to make sure no other essential tasks are hampered. Our drivers are licensed to take great care when driving to your new Waterford CT apartment so that none of your furniture or other delicate things are damaged. When it comes to moving companies in Waterford, our local movers are head and shoulders above the rest. Our local hourly moving services cost $30 to $40. Local migrations are exempt from federal law because they entail a distance of less than 50 miles. However, some states may have particular restrictions that govern local moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Waterford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.